Okay, we got breaking news out of Monticello, Indiana. The park just announced they'll be getting 2 new rides for the 2021 season, one of them being a roller coaster relocated from Mexico and the other being a flat ride relocated from the now defunct K-Land in Melrose Park. The roller coaster is believed to be the triple looping Schwarzkopf Humoron. I probably butchered the pronunciation. Now we're going to speculate potential locations for it at Indiana Beach. Using state-of-the-art Google Maps, this is an aerial footage. This is the most recent satellite imagery of Indiana Beach. There are a few locations for this new triple looping Schwarzkopf. I really think it's going to the parking lot next to Steel Hog and right across the way from Hoosier Hurricane and their Music Express. I really think it's going to either one of these parking lots because that's one of the few areas where they can expand out to without removing anything. Another spot is very unlikely in my opinion, but it's where their old Zyklon was located. Where do you think this new Schwarzkopf triple looper will land? Sound off in the comments. I'd like to hear your opinions. I give you mine. This is my first ever voiceover. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know how I'm sounding. Am I too loud? Am I too quiet? What do I need to work on? I'm new to this. Help me help you. I'll see you guys in the next one.